Hi y'all, I am back, and guess what? I got another awesome video I want y'all to see. As I'm talking, clearly y'all see this baby girl on this table, right? Yeah, excuse all that junk in the background, but when I work, sometimes stuff is all over the place. I'm sorry. But I gets the job done. Look at them hairs. Look at those baby hairs. And I'm really not a big baby hair fan, but I will slick them down, okay, y'all? And in the video, you'll see me putting this wig on my head. She is a synthetic wig. She's made out of Kanekalon hair, and she's a yaki look. Okay, and I'm telling you guys, I love the way this wig looks on my head. She's so natural. She's just like your own natural hair growing out of your hair, people. Trust me when I tell you. I'm going to show you how I put her on, cut her down, and yeah, I'm on my way to work, so I will be slapping her in a braid, something really quick. Everything may not be on this video, but you get the picture. And guess what? Later on in this video, I'm going to be telling you what your next word is for the 2019 giveaway, people. So stay tuned. Check out this video. And oh yeah, if you want to know more information about this video, I will be uploading another video. I will be trying to put the link in the comments down below, but I'm not all that great with this. I just got this voiceover thing because my other videos were so low you could barely hear my first videos, and yeah, I was trying to get it together, but yeah, you learn, you live, and most of all, you love. So yeah, here I am cutting this wig up in the front, okay? I'm about to clip this lace off and smooth it back, but yeah, I got my kids coming in and out of the bathroom. The struggle is real, people. Like, I have more than one bathroom, but yet and still, everybody wants to come in and out of the bathroom when I'm in here, so I have to keep cutting the video up. Yeah, and don't do this. Do not clean them edges off with some toilet tissue because you're in the bathroom. That is so tacky of me. I don't know why I did it, but looky here. Looky here. I'm putting on some foundation. I've already attached this beautiful wig on my hair. I just got her on my head, people. She's not like glued down or anything like that. Because I didn't intend on keeping her on. I just did it for the video, and then I was running late for work. So I said, you know what? I'm rocking her to work. So right now, I'm just putting a little bit of foundation around my edges. Just to, you know, if there's any lace showing, I will hide it. But keep in mind, this is a synthetic wig, so there's no way I can bleach the knots, people. I don't know what you heard on the internet, but you're just not bleaching these synthetic knots. This is pure synthetic, well, you know, Kanekalon. Same thing, different form. But yeah, you're not bleaching these knots. And when I made this wig, I really wasn't even thinking about that. I was just thinking about, you know what, I went to the store, I saw this hair, and I really, really wanted to utilize it. And this is what I got out of it. I will show you how. She's so natural that you can even put like the cornrows in here and it still looks like it's your scalp, people. So yeah, I'm going to shut my big mouth up because it's always running. I ain't going to lie. And I'm going to let you sit back and enjoy the rest of this video. Oh yeah, I will be coming back to let you know what the letter is so you can write it down and have it for the contest, people. Trust me. It is getting to that point. I don't even know what video this is, but I will definitely say so when I'm done. Look at there. Look at that close up. Yes. Look at them knots, baby girl. Them knots is small. The synthetic hair is laid. Man, I can't even shut up. You know what? Thanks for watching. I'll be back. Sit back and enjoy some music. Thanks for watching, everyone. The letter for this video is S. Write it down. Keep it with your other words or your other numbers or your other letters. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching and come back soon. I hope you enjoyed this video along with the others. Bye.